we're gonna marinate the pork belly. So this is the pork belly. Let me show you. Here. That's the Liempo. So it's I think this is good Liempo because there's not that much fat. So this is going to be marinated. So she's washing her hands now. Happy birthday. Okay, if you guys don't know the reason why some people sing happy birthday when they're washing their hands, it's because that's the time you need to sing happy birthday is also the time you need to wash your hands so that the germs will be effectively removed. Especially in this time of quarantine and lockdown, we need to wash our hands so that we're safe, so that we can eliminate any virus that might be stuck on
Sing
our
happy
hands.
birthday twice.
Twice? Okay, I didn't know that. I thought it was just once.
Twice.
Okay, so if you need to wash your hands, sing happy birthday twice. Did you sing happy birthday?
Twice.
Okay, we're gonna marinate the liempo. Okay, so these are the ingredients. We have Silver Swan soy sauce. We have UFC banana ketchup. Can you use the ketchup that's not banana?
Yeah.
And we got rosemary.
Sorry.
So this is the special ingredient, rosemary.
Yes.
Okay, how much toyo do you need to put in?
Tansya ko lang.
Just estimate.
Still.
Depends on how many pork belly chops you have.
Matatalino yung ibang boto.
And then the ketchup. Can they use tomato ketchup? Yes.
Eh, pagka-spicy kasi ito, kaya masarap siya.
Okay, so UFC banana ketchup has a bit of spice, and I guess it appeals to the Filipino. It appeals to them. But if you prefer tomato ketchup, that's okay. Rosemary is perfect for tomato dishes, right? Add more soy sauce. Can they use light soy sauce?
Medyo matabang siya.
Okay, so it's not recommended if you're going to use light soy sauce because that's not too flavorful, not flavorful enough for the barbecued pork belly. And mix it well with your hands. So that's the reason why we need to wash our hands carefully, so to eliminate any bacteria, because if you get any harmful bacteria in there, you're gonna get food poisoning. So you have to wash your hands with soap and water. Mix it well. Are you going to put some pepper in there?
Gusto mo?
Yes.
Maybe naman. Wait.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks bloody, but that's not blood. It's soy sauce and ketchup. Okay, just add a few dashes of pepper. Okay. Are you going to use oyster sauce there? No, or just a bit? But can they use oyster sauce? They can?
Okay.
Just a bit? Okay, for those of you who aren't familiar with the oyster sauce, it's a Chinese flavoring that's usually added to food to enhance its flavor, and can be used for almost any dish, but you only need to use just a little bit because the idea is to bring out the flavor of the food, not to overpower it. It's just like soy sauce, but in this case we're marinating.
For 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes, so we're going to let this sit here for 30 minutes. Alright, so see you around after 30 minutes. Are you gonna do that? Alright, so this is the charcoal we're going to use for the barbecue. You've got, I think, 4 or 5 bags in here. Charcoal. I'm gonna set up the barbecue itself. So this is the hollow block, and on top of it is the pan. So it's just going to be used as a platform. And charcoal will go in here. Okay guys, so we're gonna fire up the charcoal now, but we're going to use something different. Instead of lighting up the charcoal on the pan itself, we're going to use an easier way using the gas range here. So this grill will serve as the platform for the charcoal, and we'll just light this up. Say, who taught you this technique?
Sarili ko.
Oh, it's your invention. I didn't know that. Alright. So put the charcoal here.
Kasi ang hirap bumili.
So if any of you guys also do this at home, just comment below. And yeah, just let us know what you do. Okay, how many charcoal pieces do you need to put on there? So light it up. And in a few minutes, the charcoal will be ready. So we got some popping happening right now. There, embers going up.
Kaya kasi basa yung charcoal.
So the charcoal is a bit wet. So that's the reason why we have some popping. Just like in a fireplace. Oh, that was a loud one. Big one.
Sorry. Parang may firecracker.
That was like a firecracker. So maybe before you do this, you need to make sure that the charcoal isn't wet or damp, because any wet part of the charcoal might cause the liquid to expand and pop. There, I see the embers now. So this should be ready in a minute or two. We're firing up the charcoal on a stovetop. So this is what we do to make things quicker, because we're not in the woods. So we have a stove, so make use of the stove.
Medyo mabasa yung hindi siya agad nag...
Okay. There. Yes. So let us be hypnotized by the burning charcoal. Oh, another pop. It's really getting quite hot in front of this. Yes, but it's just like a fireplace. So it's ready now. You've got some nice embers. Okay, carefully bring the grill to the pan. Alright, so that's the quick way to get your barbecue started. Just use the stove. Just put the charcoal on the grill and use the stove to fire them up. So this is the traditional way of fanning the flames of a barbecue here in the Philippines. You just use an Inihaw fan. So this is an Inihaw fan. Okay, so the grill is in place and I'm just fanning the charcoal. Keep the flame going while we wait for the pork belly chops. Okay, here come the pork belly chops. Add them one by one using the tongs. If I fan too much, the flames are gonna go up from the bottom. It's gonna burn the chops. So I gotta extinguish the flames. Yeah, so we only put 3 pieces because that's the number that will fit on the grill. Okay, just do 2 more and then we have still a few here, so we'll cook these later. Okay, these are almost done. These are nicely barbecued pork chops. No, these are not pork chops, these are pork belly chops. Excellent. Okay, so we're done with the first batch. So here they are, nicely barbecued pork chops.
Liempo.
No, these aren't pork chops. These are pork belly chops. Smells good. Mmm. So put them under the sun. There. Perfectly barbecued pork belly chops. And so we did all this using this, and you've got more. Okay, so we're gonna end this vlog here. So I hope you enjoyed this video barbecuing pork belly chops. Okay, so see you around, and stay safe during the lockdown. And if you have time, barbecue some pork. Right? Okay, you do it.
Bye-bye. Messi there. Messi. Naduduling ako. Ano Ang laki naman.
Yummy? Yummy?
Mm.
Huh? Perfect?
Perfect.